Hello everyone, welcome to Groweon CRM. In this video, we will explore the company profile settings in CRM software to control your business information and documentation. To access the settings, click on the settings icon on the left side navigation. Here, you'll find options for company profile settings, general settings, and API settings. In this video, we will focus solely on the company profile settings. For insights into other settings, there are videos available on our YouTube channel that you can check out. In the company profile settings, you can add your logo, contact details, tax information, and address to personalize your documents and communication. You have the option to set your default tax type and default currency type. You can update the owner's name and the responsible contact person, including their email addresses, mobile numbers, and landline numbers. Here you can include a brief introduction about your company. You can update the quotation banner, cover letter, and footer text. Additionally, you can update other terms and conditions and add two bank details. All these quotation details will be reflected in the quotation section. A detailed video on creating effective quotations is available on our YouTube channel, which you might find helpful. You can even update your sales brochure here, which will be reflected in every lease section on the lead board and in emails when sending them to customers. You can also include your digital signature as an image, which will appear in quotations, PIs, and more, helping to create a very professional image for your customers. I hope this video has been helpful. For more videos, feel free to visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.